قالوا إنا بما أرسل به مؤمنون.
قالوا إنا بما أرس- أرسل به مؤمنون.
Okay, so guys, I have a question. Which rule is
Okay.
being applied here? Who's going to tell me?
إخلاف.
Sorry?
إخفاء. إخفاء.
إخفاء.
No, no. No. Wait. إدغام. إدغام.
إدغام. But how?
I said
Can you
إدغام.
explain it?
No, I said first. I said.
Who's going to explain it?
Can I?
Yeah.
Omaiza.
Okay, Maza, better tell me.
Okay. When Isgham letter comes after Nun Sakin or Tanween, then we can make Ghunna. And the Isgham letters are spelled Yarmalun, Ya, Ra, Lam, Mim, Waw, Nun. But when Lam and Ra comes, then we should not do Ghunna.
Impressive. Good job, mashallah.